Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas in Argyle, Texas. 2022 GT4. This is a full wrap with Expel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film. It originally came with a full front. None of the edges were wrapped on it, especially when you get into this area. It was wrapped to about right here, and then there was a big blank spot here and here. This is all one section all the way through, and this was just like a big circle. So it may have been a do-it-yourself, or I don't know. I've never seen a shop do anything like that, but all this for me is all wrapped in nicely. This hood wasn't even done. I don't understand that. And it did suffer some minor hits. If I go back and forth with the camera, they're hard to pick up. You'll see some hit marks. It's a shame because it's about a $10,000 to $15,000 piece. But now it's covered, and all this is all wrapped in. All the edges are wrapped in. The bumper did take some good damage. My opinion is it probably saw some track time with the amount of impacts and how hard they hit. But great car for the track, I can tell you that, and super nice car. On top of the PPF installation, we did a full tint with Expel's XR Plus window film. It's 20% in the back, 70 on the windshield. And then on these mirrors, I did the mirrors all in one section. They come all the way to here, and I wrapped it all in on this edge right here instead of trimming out here. So it's all nicely hidden. It doesn't even look like the mirror's done. All these areas are fully done and wrapped in. Under all these moldings, fully wrapped in. Everything just looks great. All this fully wrapped in. Coming up here, I mean, just everything turned out fantastic. Spoilers, all fully 100%. Rear bumper, new emblems. But the car, everything looks good except for a lot of hits right in here. I'll show you that. All this is just damage. But now it's covered. It won't sustain anymore. This person is not going to take the car on the track. Other than that, everything looks great. Fully wrapped in. 10-year written guarantee, lifetime installation guarantee, fully ceramic coated. Tint's a lifetime, transferable, guarantee by Expel. My installations are always covered as long as you own the car. And that's about it, folks. So there it is, clearbrownnorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching.